To foster rapid and healthy hair growth, which typically ranges from 1/4 to half an inch monthly, it's essential to adopt effective hair care practices and lifestyle adjustments. This includes using sulfate-free, naturally derived hair products to prevent dryness and breakage, rinsing hair with cold water to seal follicles, and utilizing microfiber towels for gentle drying. Additionally, switching to silk or satin pillowcases minimizes friction, while avoiding heat styling and chemical treatments like keratin is crucial to prevent damage and thinning. Limiting shampooing to a few times a week, consistent use of conditioner and weekly deep conditioning treatments, regular brushing from tips to roots, and frequent trims to prevent split ends all contribute to stronger, healthier hair. Furthermore, stimulating the scalp with massages and incorporating nutrient-rich foods such as chicken, fish, eggs, soy, spinach, and broccoli, along with biotin supplements, can significantly support hair growth by providing essential proteins and vitamins.